Okay, so I'm going to a very exciting event coming up that is a trip in Park City. So it's gonna be cold, my skin's gonna be drier than usual because it's already dry. What's up? My name's Melinda, and I am really excited because this winter I'm going to so many cool events. As a beauty director, I'm so lucky I get to go to these dinners, different parties, but I want to glow and I really want to look. So I do a few steps, kind of some winter skin prep steps that I'm going to show you so we can kind of glow together and get our skin looking good. All right, we're going to start with Summer Fridays. This is the jet lag mask. This is such a go-to for events for me because it just instantly plumps and hydrates my skin, makes it look nice and juicy for that foundation application. I'm just going to take like a quarter size amount. Don't need too much. And then I'll kind of smooth it onto my skin. I'm just gonna leave this on for 10 minutes. Cool thing about it is that you can actually leave it on if you wanted to, just like a thin layer, almost like a moisturizer. They also say if you wanna put this on at night, you can leave it on all night long, wake up and kind of just lightly remove it with a damp cloth. It's kind of multifunctional, which I love. But for events, it's magic. There's hyaluronic acid, niacinamide. It's gonna give your skin what it needs just to get ready for your foundation application. So once I give this a nice 10 minutes just to do its job, I'm gonna take a damp cloth. You can rinse this off, or you can just use a damp cloth. You don't need to remove it completely. It actually leaves a really beautiful kind of hydrating slick that's nice underneath your foundation, but you don't wanna leave a thick layer. So I'm just gonna take some of that off and set myself up for success. I'm gonna grab my glow recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. This stuff went viral. It sold out. You couldn't get your hands on it, and for good reason. It works so well and it looks stunning under makeup, so it's perfect for events. I'm just gonna take 1 or 2 pumps, split that between my hands, and then press it into my skin. It smells so good, has this like very natural watermelon scent to it, not too overwhelming. What I love about it too is that it's so glowy, you can mix it in with your foundation, literally cocktail it with your foundation, or after you apply your foundation, just tap a little bit on the high points of your cheeks for a little extra glow. But this is gonna set you up so you can start glowing from within and from underneath your foundation. I want to move on to my eyes because we shouldn't forget about our eyes. I think a lot of people wear eye cream at night, but might forget about it in the morning or when they're getting ready for a big event. And if your under eyes are dry, your concealer is just not going to perform the way you want it to. So I've just started using this brand new one from Glow Recipe. I love, love, love. It's the Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. So this has got guava, vitamin C for brightening, and it also has multiple layers of hyaluronic acid, all in different weights, so it can really penetrate the different layers of your skin as well and get that hydration. So I'm gonna tap it on using my ring fingers. I don't need to tell you to use your ring fingers. I think everyone in the world now knows they're the lightest touch. You can use this one 360 too, all the way around the eyes, and voila. All right, so now let's talk about Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream. This stuff is literally what it says, magic. Charlotte formulated this behind the scenes before she even had her brand, when she was working on celebrities for events and photo shoots, to make something that was perfect for makeup application and created this like instant gratification glow. And that's exactly what it does. So it's perfect for events, obviously. I just use, you know, a little dime size amount. I don't need too much, but I want to make sure I get that hydration in. And I'm just going to kind of press lightly and smooth it on. Remember in between your skincare steps to give yourself like 30 seconds to a minute to let the last skincare product actually settle into your skin. I can see it. Like I can literally see that it gave me an instant glow. Like maybe I was already super dewy because I have all the other skincare on, but there's something about this cream that's literally magic, and it's such a go-to for me for events. All right, let's talk about the whole body, because I feel like the body is an extension of your skincare and it needs some love too, especially if you're wearing a rockin' outfit for the event. So to prep for that, I wanna give it a big drink of water. I love this stuff from JLo Body. This is the Firm and Flaunt Targeted Booty Balm. Yes, it's for my booty. Yes, I use it on my booty, but you can use it all over. It's super moisturizing, super hydrating. It kind of gives your skin like the appearance of more firmness to it. And it also has a really pretty kind of luminosity to it as well. So it's going to make you instantly glow. I'm gonna put a little bit on my shoulders just to show you what I mean. Dry, sad, unhappy. Ready? Happy, glowy, shimmery. And then when I go in with my body makeup, because yes, I love to wear body makeup for events. If I'm wearing something strappy, I'll add a little bit of glow, a little bit of shimmer. And this just kind of preps it perfectly for you. So you got your hydration going. Honestly, you can leave it just at this, but I like to add a little shimmer as well. I absolutely love these. They will keep you looking gorgeous for all of your winter events. If you want to try any of them out, shop the shelf, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.